High winds are back in Southern California, posing great risk for fire crews as they battle at least 3 wildfires around Los Angeles.
24 people have died. Winnie is in the newsroom with the newest developments. Winnie?
Good morning. The wildfires have swept through 40,000 acres in the greater Los Angeles area, demolishing entire communities and more than 12,000 structures. Crews will face challenging winds for the next couple of days.
Severe fire weather conditions will continue through Wednesday. Please be assured that all fire departments and all law enforcement agencies in the area will be prepared. The anticipated winds, combined with low humidities and low fuel moistures, will keep the fire threat in all of Los Angeles County critical.
More than 90,000 LA County residents are under evacuation orders. 89,000 are under evacuation warnings. Officials are assuring the public that all first responder personnel are well equipped. Additional water tankers and firefighters arrived in Los Angeles area on Monday.
Firefighting resources from LAFD and fire departments from all over are positioned in strategic holding locations. DWP is deploying water tankers to augment water supply for firefighters. The emergency operations centers remain activated at the highest level to rapidly coordinate emergency response.
And not only is the battle fighting fires, but officials are concerned with looting in the Los Angeles area. The district attorney announcing dozens of arrests. More than 35 people have been accused of residential looting within the evacuation zones. I'm live in the newsroom. Winnie Dortch, WGN News.
We have shown you video of aircraft dropping fire-retardant chemicals. Now here's a pilot's eye view. These images were shot from the cockpit of a National Guard plane as it took part in the fire suppression campaign in Pacific Palisades. At last word, fire officials estimate that 5,000 homes in that community have been destroyed. Our parent company, Nexstar Media Group, is working with the Red Cross to raise money. Scan the QR code on your screen for more information on how you can make a donation.